Enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy means heat. Combustion means burning of any substance in the presence of air is called as combustion. Definition for enthalpy of combustion is the heat is evolved when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in excess of air or oxygen is called as enthalpy of combustion. Standard enthalpy of combustion definition is at standard conditions the heat is evolved when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in excess of oxygen or air is called as standard enthalpy of combustion. What are standard conditions? 25 degrees Celsius temperature, 1 bar pressure and 1 molar concentration are the standard conditions. Enthalpy of combustion is always exothermic. Why? Because if we burnt any substance, energy is released. So delta H value is always negative. On burning, carbon converts to CO2, hydrogen converts to H2O, sulfur converts to SO2, nitrogen converts to NO2, phosphorus converts to P4O10. To do the combustion of carbon in graphite, write this carbon in graphite in reactant side. Here coefficient is 1 because 1 mole of substance is burned. Then write excess of oxygen. Carbon in graphite is converted into CO2 and write here standard states also, and then balance on both sides but not here because 1 mole of substance. Here only you can balance. Next, combustion of methane in presence of excess of oxygen, it gives carbon converts to CO2, hydrogen converts to H2O, and here write standard state also, and you can balance here only but not here. This is heat of reaction. Heat of reaction is also called as enthalpy of combustion. Enthalpy of combustion is represented by delta Hc naught. Delta H represents change in enthalpy, C represents combustion, naught means at standard conditions. To do the numericals, formula is reactant enthalpy minus product enthalpy. Coming to applications of enthalpy of combustion is, enthalpy of combustion is useful to obtain the calorific values of various fuels. What is calorific value? Amount of energy is released by 1 gram fuel, which is represented by delta Hc by molar mass. Calorific value gives which fuel is better in terms of energy. Enthalpy of combustion of methane gives minus 890.5 kilojoule. Mass of methane is carbon 12 plus 4 hydrogen, total 16 grams. Now you can substitute this enthalpy of combustion minus 890.5 by 16. Why? Because molar mass is 16 grams by 16 equal to minus 55.6 kilojoule. So enthalpy of combustion of 1 gram of a substance is called calorific value. So minus 55.6 kilojoule per gram is the calorific value of methane. Coming to butane. Combustion of butane gives minus 2877.5 kilojoule. 58 grams is the molar mass of butane. Substitute these in calorific value equation. Minus 2877.5 by 58 equal to minus 49.6 kilojoule. Minus 49.6 kilojoule per gram is the calorific value of butane. So which calorific value is high? That fuel is better fuel. Among butane and methane. Butane is better in terms of energy.